Family, want to give y'all an update. I'm inside of Mama's house right now. Been working on the bathroom, getting the floors down, vanity, commode. Working on some caulking. I actually ran out of caulking. I got to get some more. Working on putting fixtures and stuff up. Got the big mirror to put up. Still got the door to put on here. Got to buy some doors. But on the big scale, hey, it's coming. You can see it. It looked like something. Got a couple more things to get, but it's coming along, family. I'm proud of myself that I did this. Never did nothing like this in my life, but I did it. And I am super stoked. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I just had the shower on. I was cleaning out the inside of the tub. You know, I've just been knocking stuff out. Still got touch-up stuff to do in the inside of the closet, but I've been knocking it out. It's been going. So I'm most definitely humbled and I'm thankful that I came, I saw, and I conquered. Never did nothing like this before, but like I say, we are in the age of technology. You can literally download / upload some information to yourself from on YouTube, online, different programs, and learn anything you need to learn. I have never did a remodel house before. Never. But this is my mom's house. I had paid some people. I got some things done. Money got wasted. I actually had to come in and get some things done myself if I wanted to make it happen. So I did it. It might not be perfect to somebody that's been doing it 30 years, but it is absolutely great to me. And I'm pleased. I know what I'm doing. I know different things that I got to go back and touch up on, nothing major. But I'm humble and I'm happy. And I know my mom's smiling at looking at her new updates. I know she's smiling. Still got a lot to do, family, but it's coming on along. And I'm humbled and I appreciate y'all for getting your hog on with me. Black Phoenix, I'm out.